Welcome to Facebook Ad Fridays, where we build ads to find motivated sellers online. I am your host, JT with Silver Street Marketing, and we will be going over some awesome ad templates. Remember, you can download all these just by visiting the link below. You can go ahead and start editing them and using them yourself inside of your own ads. We're excited. Let's go ahead and get started. Hey guys, all right, today this is the ad that we are going to be copying here. This is one that actually we came up with on our team that has generated us. I just started testing it like 2 days ago. 3 leads, $25 a lead for seller leads, which is awesome for investors finding flip homes. So coming in really quick, and I believe one of those might be under contract or something like that. I can't remember what the client told me, but very, very good motivated lead generator right here. It's just really good one to use in your retargeting audiences, as well as using for your top of funnel campaign, just trying to get people to come in and kind of understand how things work. So I'm going to walk through creating a lead, an ad similar to this one, and you'll be able to download the template that we are creating today. I'm going to make a couple changes, spice it up, and see how the things roll. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to jump over to another page where we're going to start creating this style of ad here. So let's go ahead. All right. Remember, you can get all of these if you just click the link in the button below, or link in the description below the video, and it will give you the option to be able to download all these, and you'll get the update of every new one that I add in here. So pretty cool tool. We're using Canva to create all these, which I think are pretty awesome. There's quite a bit that you can do on Canva that I really like. All right, so we're gonna go in here. We're gonna start playing around a little bit. All right, this guy up here somewhere. Let's do another. Let's go. And I'm just going to grab what I like from these. I'm going to kind of just use it the way I want to use it in here. So let's go ahead and kind of use kind of the same idea, right? Sell your home for cash. Let's do the classic. I think it'll look a little bit better. Let's try classic. There we go. And we kind of had this 3 easy steps. Here's what we're gonna kind of use as what's going to be the story of our ad, right? So here's kind of our hook up here at the top. And 3 easy steps. So here's our hook, sell your home for cash in 3 easy steps. Let's move everything down just a little bit. It's not on top of each other. I'm going to change this color up. We had used green to kind of go with like the cash theme. So we'll kind of do kind of a green look here. Maybe get this a little bit bigger, bold it. Looking nice. Sell your home for cash in 3 easy steps. Now we're going to outline our steps. So over here, what we did was we had, fill out a quick form. We'll contact you about your property and then close when you want to get paid. Really easy to use these. There's little different elements we can do. So if you're like, hey, I want to throw a home in here. So you could be like, hey, I like this home. Oh, I like this one. You're going to throw this element right here into the middle. For me personally, I kind of like the way we already built it. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy these over and throw these over on this page here. Now I'm using a slightly different color scheme because I think that would look a little bit nicer. All right, let's make this a little bit bigger so it stands out a little bit more. Okay. Move this down. All right, sell your home for cash in 3 easy steps. I'm going to change this button over to little bit darker of a green. See how I like that? Okay, awesome. And I kind of just feel like the back is plain. That's where I want to make the most of my change. I want to make something that makes like the eye pop a little bit more. So what I'm going to throw in there is I'm going to go over my photos, and I am going to grab, let's go to photos. I have some I've used in the past. One of these dollar bill pages. Something like that, or a big one. Let's see which one I like. I'm going to do the small one. It looks like more money. What I'm going to do is I am going to make this a little bit more transparent. Boom. There. So this way, people are still going to be kind of like capturing it. You know, they kind of get the idea of it, but this is overlaid on top. So this is, you know, they'll see the money there and that captures their attention, but they've got the Sell Your Home for Cash in 3 easy steps. That's where they kind of learn a little bit more about what we really do. And then we've got the get quote now. And this is going to match the same CTA that we're going to use inside the ad. So they're clicking on get quote inside the learn, you know, where you put your buttons inside of Facebook, where a lot of people use learn more. What we're going to do is we're going to change that to get quote so that it matches. But yeah, guys, that's the ad that I would recommend trying out. It's one that we've actually seen success on. There's a little bit of a tweak here to make it step out a little bit more. You can always change whatever you want here in the background. You can put a home, you can put whatever. You can put investors shaking hands. Use that background image that you can overlay to kind of capture some attention or give some idea of something that you're trying to get across. Like in this one, we're really trying to hook them with the, you can get cash, we'll pay cash, and it only takes 3 steps. Here's the 3 steps. That's all you need to know. Now let's go get your cash, right? So that's something that you can check out. Now remember, you get all of these ads and you can edit all these ads. They're all your own templates. Check them all out here. If you just click the link in the description of this video, it's going to take you over to a page where you can input your info and download all these ads. All right, awesome, guys. Well, I'm going to go ahead and let y'all go. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out, and we'll see you next Friday. All right, see you guys.